Can you modify your bond conditions in the state of Georgia? Sometimes when you are arrested or a loved one is arrested, there may be a bond set pretty early on by a magistrate judge or a state court superior court judge. And sometimes shortly after an arrest, there may be a bond condition that seems appropriate at the time. However, sometimes people may remain on bond for months, even a year, and up to even more than that, where even situations where it can be years at a time where someone is out on bond awaiting resolution of their case. Now, some of those bond conditions that seemed like a great idea at the time of a first appearance or a bond hearing or whatever it may no longer be appropriate. Situations may have changed, feelings may have changed, more facts may have came out, whatever it may be. So is there a way to change those bond conditions? The answer is absolutely. All it takes is for your attorney to file a motion to modify bond conditions in whichever court set the bond or has jurisdiction over your case. Now, sometimes prosecutors will agree to amend the bond conditions, but if they don't, then you can have a hearing on your motion and try to convince the judge to modify those conditions. If the judge agrees with your position or if the prosecutor agrees, then all that's required is an order modifying those conditions, and then you will be set and you can be free from whatever restrictive condition there was. A lot of times we see it in domestic cases where at the time of arrest, the condition is no contact with the alleged victim. But then later on, it becomes more appropriate that the condition be no violent contact with the alleged victim in a case. That is one of the more common ones that we see. Another common condition we see is that someone may not be allowed to leave the state, and then while the person's on bond, there may become some reason why that is appropriate. So if you're having issues with your bond or your bond conditions, don't freak out. There are methods and ways to rectify that situation. Contact your lawyer, contact us, whoever it may be, and they can get working on modifying those bond conditions for you.